Want to send money quickly and easily from your phone? Follow along as we show you exactly how to use the Moneygram app to send funds on the go. First things first, if you're new to the Moneygram app, you'll need to set up an account. Tap on the Sign Up or Create Account option and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely be asked to provide some basic personal information like your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to create a strong password for security. Once your account is created, you'll be able to log in, enter your email and password, and you're ready to start sending. To send money, tap on the Send Money option. Usually found on the homepage, the app will then ask you to choose the country where your recipient will pick up the money. This is a crucial step, so double-check you've selected the correct destination. Next, you'll enter the amount you wish to send. The app will often display an estimated fee and the exchange rate at this stage, so you can see exactly what your recipient will receive. It's a good idea to review these details carefully. Now, you need to tell Moneygram who you're sending to. You can either select an existing recipient from your contacts if you've sent them money before, or you'll need to enter their details. This typically includes their full name, as it appears on their government-issued ID, and their current address and phone number. The next important step is selecting how you'll pay for the transfer. Moneygram typically offers options like paying with a credit card, debit card, or from your bank account. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. If you choose a card, you'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. If paying from your bank account, you'll likely link your account by providing your bank details. Before finalizing, you'll have a chance to review all the transaction details, the amount being sent, the recipient's information, the fees, and your payment method. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid any issues. Once you're satisfied, tap the Confirm or Send button to complete your transaction. You'll usually receive a confirmation screen with a tracking number, and an email or text notification will be sent for your records, and that's it. You've successfully sent money using the Moneygram app.